Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads and watching potential customers slip through the cracks? This video will show you how to link your Facebook lead form with Zapier, automating your lead capture process in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Facebook Business Suite and navigate to your instant forms. You can typically find this under the All Tools section. Make sure you have an active lead form ready to go, or create a new one. Next, jump into your Zapier account and click the Create Zap button to start building your automation. In the Trigger section, search for and select Facebook Lead Ads as your trigger app. This tells Zapier to listen for new leads submitted through your Facebook form. Now, you'll need to connect your Facebook account to Zapier. Click Connect to New Account and follow the prompts to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. This will likely involve logging into your Facebook account. In the Setup Trigger section, specify the Facebook page and the specific lead form you want to monitor for new submissions. Choose the correct options from the drop-down menus. Time for a test. Click the Test Trigger button to pull in a recent lead from your form. This confirms that Zapier can successfully access your lead data. If there are no leads, use Facebook's Lead Ads testing tool. Now, let's choose what happens with those leads. In the Action section, select the ad you want to send your leads to. This could be your CRM, email marketing platform, or even a simple Google Sheet. For this example, we are using a Google Sheet. Connect your account for the chosen app. You may need to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Sheets. Customize the action by selecting the specific spreadsheet, worksheet, and matching fields from your Facebook lead form to the appropriate columns in your spreadsheet. This ensures the lead information is accurately transferred. Test the action to make sure the data is flowing correctly. Review the results to confirm the information is being sent to the right places. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, every time someone submits your Facebook lead form, their information will automatically be sent to your chosen application, saving you time and ensuring no lead is missed. You've successfully automated your lead capture. Start nurturing those leads and watch your business grow.